Everyone, today I'm sharing with you how to make a mini pouch with a ribbon and just zipper. And this zipper, the wide side is 1.5 inches. I have cut in here 10.5 inches zipper. As you can see the end here, I have an extra half an inch. So I'm doing a little funky. Instead of using pink, I'm using white for the zipper pull, and the zipper is pink. Something you have to do to have fun. So I cut the teeth off of half an inch extra on the side, and then I slide the zipper on the longer side in first to meet the half an inch, and then I put the half an inch in, and then I pull. So that's how you do the zipper in the yard. Just slide that right in, and so your hand have room here to hold on to it, and then you pull. So perfect. And I'm going to cut the extra right here. You can sew the end right here to make it stay together. Now I'm going to go and cut out 2 ribbon and the same side of the zipper. So I'm going to measure 1 and then fold in half to cut it another one. This is cute. You can put in your on the side of your handbag, shoulder bag, or for the kid they can put around their backpack. This off one side and then this in half. And the roll of ribbon you can make a few, and it's easy depending on how you want it. Ribbon on this side I'm going to mark. I do a quarter of an inch here, and then I connect the line. This for me to see where I sew, but most of my tutorial for beginner, and if you are not beginner, so many times I say that you don't watch my video because it's too much for you. Draw the line. You're going to place the zipper on the top of that. I'm showing you here, but when I sew I don't need to pin or clip or anything. One thing I want to tell you, and I forgot, this is for beginner. If you want to, you can use bathing stitch and you're going to sew this. So that help you when you sew and nothing move, especially with the ribbon. After you sew in this, you're gonna fold it together and make sure that everything line up perfectly, evenly, and so you can sew the side. The other option you can do, you can have two zipper, one on each side if you want the back and the front, but I decide just to do one. I know people say that it's just the waste of the zipper, but that's how I design stuff, okay? So I'm gonna, after I sew on the side here, I don't want to box the corner, but if you want to, you feel free to do so. Box about a quarter of an inch or something like that. A quarter of an inch, so good enough. But I'm not doing that. I'm gonna go and just to cut this side a bit like that. And now I'm going to inside out this. I cut the fabric here, it is 2 inches by 4 inches. I'm going to sew the top. Sewed it here. That's it, everyone. That basically I finished. And remember what I say to you, if you want to add another zipper pull on the top at the other end, just same thing like that, you feel free to do. So that way you have two sides, so whatever side you touch you have a zipper. But this is my way. You can do your way. I give you the option. You can modify this. It is 3 inches wide and the long side top here down is 5 inches. Very cute. You can keep a little thing in here, take it along with you. If you put the dog thingy, the dog bed for their using it, you know, you can do that too. Or you can, if you go on the quick trip and you want to just take a few things with you, get some change and then some cash. Just a little thing. I just give you an idea what to do, but you do what you do. Okay, and that is that. Very simple and it's easy to do. And I hope you make this for yourself or for your kid backpack. Sanitizer you can put right in here and click on the side of the backpack for school. You get this from Walmart. It has all kind of clip in here that you can clip it on the side of the backpack, and that's it. Very simple and easy to do. Okay, they have this, and then click in here. I have the bigger one too, a very unit one. Okay, just clip it right on the zipper, and then the zipper pull, and then clip it on the side of the backpack. That's basically it, everyone. It's super simple. It is cute. That's it, everyone. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for all of you that support my channel and the second channel as well. And also support my son's channel too. Thank you for your donation, the channel members, and everyone that support my channel since COVID-19. Love you. Take care. Stay safe, everyone.